Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this look using the Morphe and Jaclyn eyeshadow palette. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm starting off with eyeshadows today, and I'm using the Morphe and Jaclyn eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this shade here on a fluffy blending brush as my transition shade in the crease. Then taking this brown shade here on a crease brush, and I'm using that to create the depth to the eyelid. Then dipping back into the transition shade, and I'm just blending that straight over top. Next taking this shade here on a pencil brush, and I'm applying this to the outer corner of the eye. So I'm next dipping back in to the same crease shade and crease brush, and I'm going to use that to blend out the outer corner. And you can keep going back in and out with each eyeshadow and just keep adding and blending just until you get the exact shape and darkness that you want. Then after that, I'm taking the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Eye Concealer on a Real Techniques detailing brush, and I'm using that to carve out the shape of my eyelid. Then taking my favourite shade in this eyeshadow palette on a flat synthetic brush, but before applying it I'm spraying it with the NYX Cosmetics Dewy Finish Setting Spray onto the brush just so it picks up more product and it applies more pigment. So now going on to eyeliner, I'm using the Kat Von D tattoo liner in the shade called Trooper, and I'm taking that across the eyelid, and when you get to the outer edge you want to make it just a little bit thicker, and then you can smoke it out with eyeshadow afterwards. Then taking the black shadow on a pencil brush, and I'm packing that on the outer corner just to create the smoked out liner effect, and then blending it out with this shade here. I'm next applying some mascara, and this one's from L'Oreal and it's called the Volume Million Lashes Excess Mascara, and then I'm applying some lashes on top, and these ones are from the brand called Prima Lash. So now the lashes are on, I'm next going to finish off the bottom lash line, and I'm starting off with the shade we applied to the crease, and then applying the black shadow on a flat brush, and I'm focusing that closest to the lashes. Then to finish the whole look off, I'm using the Jeffree Star and Manny MUA highlighter in the shade called Eclipse, and I'm using it on a Sigma F35 brush. Then to finish the whole look off, I'm using the Huda Beauty Trendsetter lip liner, and then I'm applying the shade of liquid matte lipstick to match on top. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please remember to like and subscribe if you're new, and also comment below any video suggestions you'd like to see from me in the next coming weeks, and I'll definitely get filming them for you. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video guys. Bye!